In this video, I'll show you how you can download and update your NVIDIA graphics driver. Now first what you want to do is just head over to Google. From in here search for NVIDIA Experience and press the first one. From in here what you want to do is just simply press download now and download the GeForce Experience. Now when you have GeForce Experience, this is how it's gonna look when you open it. From in here you can simply press on drivers, press check for updates, and it's gonna check if you have any updates. Now as you can see right now I have one GeForce Game Ready driver and I can simply choose install and use any of these. Now when I do that, it's automatically gonna update my driver and install the new driver. Now another way you can do it is by coming down here and search for Device Manager. In here you want to open up your display adapters, which is your GPU, and what you can do is in here you can right click on it and update driver. Now this will look for Windows for the update of your current driver. Simply press update driver and then you can do it that way. So those are the two ways that you can update your driver and the way that you can install the GeForce Experience here on the Google. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.